has the hiccups for the first time. Just like his brother Connor, who got the hiccups all the time.